Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review for the Fantome Tarot deck. And I purchased her deck on her website. She has another where you can purchase her deck on Etsy as well. And this what it came in with, like a little card holder, which is lovely. She had a postcard there. Here's a coupon for you. There's her website. And it came in this box. I went ahead and took everything out and the plastic off, but it came in this cute little box here. This is the box. Inside is kind of roomy in there in between. But that's okay. And this is her little booklet that comes with it. I believe this deck was about 50 something, 60 something, in that range. This is the back of the cards, which is beautiful. See how it's sparkly. And her deck also comes with the app that you can see other things, other symbols within the cards. And I believe it gives you a lot of other fun stuff as far as the meanings, just a lot of other different things, but you can check it out. Let me bring this camera down so you can see it better. This is the Fool. It's very pretty. I love the colors, as you know. And the card, it's doable. Yeah, it's pretty doable. It's thin. I would say between thick and thin. It's not thin, but between there. It's very doable. The Magician. I love the colors. I love the wands and all of the tools in it. The High Priestess. They have the glow on the symbols. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. I love that above his head. They both are kneeling down. I like that. The Lovers. So I had some snakes around both of them, look like. And the little angel there. The Chariot. Strength. That's a beautiful Strength card. So beautiful. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. I love that. I like that she implemented those shiny, glowy things in it. I like that. The glowy symbols, rather. The Hangman. Death. That's pretty. The pony. Temperance. You should definitely check out the app because it has some good stuff in her app that brings out the cards. Tower. star. Beautiful. I like the glowy diamonds on her. The water. The moon. The sun. Judgment. Really pretty. The world. Down to the Ace of Pentacles. It's beautiful. The Two of Pentacles. So it still has a Rider-Waite feel to it. But she has her own unique way of making her cards. The Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. I was just looking at that five because it's like he wants to, or he feels her pain is what I'm feeling. But she's still there. She's willing to, seems like she's willing to talk about it. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Eight Pentacles. It's pretty. It's two Seven of Pentacles. It is. It's two Seven of Pentacles in the deck. And eight, two eights as well. Okay. Nine of Pentacles. That's some extra cards there. 10 of Pentacles. That's pretty. I like that too. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. There's a Four of Wands in here. They're not in here. I think they're supposed to, so we'll get to that. The Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Down to the Ace of Cups. Which is beautiful. I like that Ace of Cups. That is beautiful. With the hand and it's like a cross. Two of Pentacles. It's beautiful. I just love the colors in this deck. Three of Cups. All having a good time. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. I like that. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. That's beautiful. You have little kids there. Page of Cups. Two fishies. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. She's beautiful. King of Cups. Down to the Wands, Ace of Wands. Now that is gorgeous. That is really beautiful. Two of Wands. This one he's looking back. That's going to be interesting. Three of Wands. Looks like he's missing the boat there. Oh, okay, so now to the Four of Wands. Yeah, that's weird. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. That's pretty. I like that. Like a little home there. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. It's trying to carry it all those wands up the stairs. Like it's an open door back there. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Looks like it's two lion heads in the back of him. Some lizards. Ace of Swords. That's gorgeous. Another gorgeous ace. Two of Swords. I like that one too. That's the moon back there. Three of Swords. Like some thunder. Dabber in the heart. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. She has a smirk on her face. Six of Swords. And she's looking back too on this one. Sad. Seven of Swords. He's definitely sneaking behind someone's back. Eight of Swords. This one, she's not tied. Looks like maybe an arm. I'm not quite sure. Nine of Swords. So she's not in the bed. Or is that a bed? Could be. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. This one. King of Swords. Then she has two extra cards. The Artist. Really 4 extra cards. And the Reader. The Tarot Reader. Okay. I like the extra cards too. And so I'm going to pull, see how they shuffle, and I'll pull a collective card for you guys. And we can check out the book with that collective card. They shuffle good. I like the way they shuffle. They're kind of soft. One more shuffle. All right. See what we have. The moon. Okay. So now here's the book. So it has tarot spreads, the meanings of all the cards in the suits. There is the QR code for the app and the guidebook, excuse me. And so, let's see here. Past, present, singles card spread. Another type of spread selected. And there's all the meanings. They all has color, which is awesome. I like books with color in it. And let's get to the moon here. Not too far. There we go. So in her deck, I'm just going to read a little bit of it. Illusion, fear, anxiety, subconscious, and intuition. And she has the reversals, as you can see as well. The moon card represents the power of the subconscious. It often signifies that there are fears below the surface that are driving the reader's beliefs and actions. This card is a reminder to look below the surface of the conscious mind and uncover the thoughts that are governing their perceptions. Now, I'm not going to read too much. So that's the moon. And this is the book. Let's see if anything else in it. The back. No, that's it. And there's the barcode to get into the app. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.